That ought to come out. There's the famous Reno Archway. I was going to buy that for the postcards, but I decided against it. It was the infamous Reno Archway. It's sort of cute. There's the Flamingo parking there, but the Flamingo's a block away. There's Harold's Club next to the sign. And on the right is Fitzgerald's, which has the only pieces of Blarney Castle that are outside of Ireland. They've got them stuck all over the place. They got a well made out of them. Let's see. Across the street, there's a pawn shop, a Chinese restaurant, an out-of-state checks cash place, and a souvenir shop. It's a nice town. It's real nice. So we'll get a daytime shot of this. Past the buildings, you can probably see way out there is Bally's, and that's actually in Sparks, which isn't Reno, but they're both the same now. And you follow down the street, and way out there in the back is another casino. And then going to the south real far, you can't see it, there's another place called the Peppermill. It's sort of out of town. That's the Holiday Inn with the green flashing, green lights and the flashing, and a Ramada in there. And like I said, we got the promo. Hopefully I'll get the real thing here. 1:30 a.m. on Wednesday morning. Staring down the tunnel. Dave's still singing the world sign. Looking down the street in Reno. And walking across the street. It's Wednesday, 28th, 1990. Loads to be on. Sure, if I finally get my 4-hour form, we can know it'll be Fitzgerald here. It says it's 33 degrees at 7:54. Honestly, it's 20 after 1. I wouldn't kid you about something like that. Welcome, ABC Bowlers, Virginia, and Eldorado on Virginia Street. Virginia in second. It's a riverboat, which is an interesting place. And the Flamingo is on the right, you can't tell. We never went to the Comstock. Well, this is what it's like late at night.
No more beers for her. She was sitting in the kino lounge. What's wrong?
Life wouldn't be complete without restrooms of the world in the Nevada Club. Well, it works. Yeah, it's that old kind of place. Yeah, what a hot spot. Well, this is where I stayed. Eldorado. Nice place. It's nice, clean, good place. Almost the same view. Circus is right there down the road. Let's see, my room is somewhere up there. 26 floors. I'm probably a floor above the split in the lights on the right hand side there. Somewhere. There it is, downtown Reno. Looking at the sign, it's kind of in the middle of the road. Yes. Old Reno, nobody's been there. Flamingo. Well, here we are, packing up to leave. I finally got everything fit into my bags, plus my extra travel bag, with a little bit of squishing. City in the world. Let's see if our one-leg bum is down there. I don't see him today. This guy who leans against that building has one leg and a crutch. There's a train that runs through rather frequently, right down there. This brown building is the bus station, by the way. We'll be adding this in the tape here. We have bus station, train station, and out there, that away, is the airport.